If I do home improvements in my home, does that increase my property's assessment and therefore increase the amount of taxes that I pay? So what trends are you seeing in property assessments this year?
So our property assessments, particularly of single-family residential, have been following the general trends that we see across the region as a whole, in that the values that we see are fairly flat, or that they've been going down slightly. So between July of 2019 and July of last year, we saw single-family residential properties experiencing a median decrease of about 2.5%. Condos decreased overall. Median decrease there is about 0.8%, but it is different depending on what kind of condo you have. Certain types of condominiums have gone down more than others.
If I do home improvements in my home, does that increase my property's assessment and therefore increase the amount of taxes that I pay?
The short answer is yes, it well might. Essentially, when we do our valuations, we're looking at the entire property as it exists on the condition date, which is December 31st of the previous year. So if you have done a large-scale renovation and we know about it, then we would be looking at how that renovation has contributed to the increase in the value of your home. So your assessment will typically go up if you do such a thing, and that would result in you paying slightly more in taxes than you were previously, depending on what happens to every other home in the entire city. So the long and short of it is yes, slightly nuanced though, depending on what sort of improvement it is, whether it's something that we can track within the marketplace as actually adding value. So there are certain types of improvement that, while they certainly make your home more attractive to you and easier and more convenient to live in, do not necessarily increase its value as much as we can actually measure through objective data.